In this video, I'll walk you through how to build your own AI-powered playbook using SendQuick AI, from setting up a knowledge base all the way to launching your chat interface. Let's get started. First, we begin by creating a knowledge base. Think of a knowledge base as the central library for your AI. This is where all your reference materials will live: documents, notes, guides, anything your AI will need to understand and use in its responses. Once the knowledge base is created, it becomes the foundation for everything that follows. Next, we'll upload a data source. This could be a PDF, a web page, a text file, or any document that contains useful information. After selecting your data source, attach it to the knowledge base you just created. The system will process the content behind the scenes so the AI can understand it, search through it, and generate accurate answers based on the information inside. Once your knowledge base is ready, it's time to create prompts. Prompts act like instructions or guidelines that shape how the LLM responds. You can tailor prompts for different use cases: customer support, marketing, HR, troubleshooting, anything your workflow requires. By adding the right prompts, you define the personality, tone, and behavior of your AI. Now we're ready to build a playbook. A playbook works like an application. It pulls everything together in one place. Inside the playbook, you can attach your knowledge bases, choose the LLM model that best suits your needs, select the prompts you want the model to follow. Once everything is set, save the playbook. It's now fully configured with your data, rules, and model settings. And finally, once your playbook is successfully created, you can start using its chat interface. This is where your AI comes to life. You can ask questions, interact with your knowledge, or even trigger automated flows depending on how you design the playbook. It's simple, intuitive, and ready to support your task or team.